Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Instagram videos not playing on iPhone. As one of the most popular social platforms, Instagram provides an easy way for people to share photos and videos with friends. However, a growing number of users have recently complained that they are facing the issue of Instagram videos not playing on iPhone. If you are one of them, this video will help you. So in this video I will tell you how can you fix this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check your internet connection. The first reason why Instagram not playing videos on your iPhone is that your cellular or Wi-Fi network connection is too weak to stream Instagram videos. Please make sure you have a strong and reliable internet connection. You can switch to the wireless Wi-Fi network if you're using the cellular data and check it's disabled under cellular data use. You can also reboot your router to ensure a good network connection and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. And the method to get a strong network connection is to reset your network to a factory reset. To do this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset your network settings on your iPhone and you are done. And the next step is update the Instagram app. If you are using an old Instagram application or there is corrupted data on the app, it may lead to the problem of videos not playing on Instagram. You can try updating your Instagram app if there is available version. For this, go to App Store, tap on it and then tap on the search bar at the bottom right corner. And here in the search bar, search for Instagram app. If your Instagram app can be updated, it will show in the list. Find the Instagram app and then tap on the update button next to it and you are done. And the next step is reinstall the Instagram app. Alternatively, you can reinstall the Instagram app to fix the issue. To reinstall the app, you need to delete it first. For this, tap on the app icon and then tap on remove app and then tap on delete app and then tap on delete again to confirm and again download it from your app store and you are done. And the next step is clear caches of Instagram. There is another way to remove the corrupted data in the Instagram app that causes the videos on Instagram won't play issue. To clear Instagram cache on iPhone, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. Wait until the page is loading. Scroll down and find the Instagram app and then tap on offload app and then tap on offload app and re-download it from the app store and you are done. And the next step is reboot your iPhone. So for this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and then the down button and press the side button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is turn off low power mode. If your iPhone is in the power saving mode, it will prevent Instagram videos from playing to save power. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on battery and then tap on low power mode toggle button to turn it off and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of Instagram videos not playing on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.